Meaning of Henry.
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 Henry. In physics, the Henry is the unit of inductance, which measures the amount of magnetic flux generated by an electric current flowing through a conductor. Specifically, it is defined as the amount of inductance that results in an induced electromotive force of 1 volt when the current in the coil changes at a rate of 1 ampere per second. The unit is named after the American physicist Joseph Henry, who made important contributions to the study of electromagnetism in the early 19th century. In summary, the Henry is a measurement of inductance used in electrical engineering and physics.